what's going on, YouTube? Thanks again for checking back with me. Today, I'm installing my spoiler I just got. Well, actually, I got it a month ago, but I'm just installing it now. I just pulled up to my boy Alex's house, waiting for him to come outside. There he is. About to put the spoiler on, man. I need it. Cut my shit up. I thought this was the color at first. I'm like, no, this is not the right color.
Oh yeah, it really got your ass on that one. Yeah, alcohol prep pad, buddy. Is a stick-on joint?
That'll work.
Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. Clean the surface.
I mean,
paint thinner.
You talking about after we take it off?
Yeah.
Right, so.
Close to it, pass the brush, pull the paint, shout out MMD.
It didn't come with the plastic pry tool?
Nah.
You wanna grab that side?
I ain't about to give you all that.
This ain't coming out.
You got one more bolt still.
I think you needed to pry this up.
Yeah, let's get all the bolts off, and then we'll close the trunk and then pry it up. Oh, it's that. Yeah, that does not make sense. Where the tool at? I got another one. Get some heat.
Also, by the way, this is the MMD Ducktail spoiler for the 05 to 09 Mustangs. I don't know if I said that in the video already, but that's what we got.
Oh, slide it in there.
Right there, boy. Look at some gloss. Gloss and stuff.
Let's roll with low heat.
Put it in your face.
I'm holding.
Yeah.
That bitch ugly.
New spoiler delete. Look. Oh shoot! I stepped on the heat gun.
The adhesive remover, the glue gun, automotive power gel, and we got some solution.
Damn hot.
Buddy, it's only like 65. No sun. And we got a plastic and emblem trim adhesive.
All right.
So this ain't going nowhere.
Now right here, as you guys can see here, Alex doesn't really know what he's doing. I'm not sure exactly what was going on with the spray gun.
Come on, he right there.
Look how it's squirting.
Yeah, I don't know. So there you go. It's all in the window. Thick gunk gel.
Fuck my pan at. I think we should use the heat and just scrape it on that.
Well, let's get the big amount, and then you're right, then we'll get the rest. But I got a plastic scraper.
Now right here, you guys can see I've never done this before. I don't know what I was doing. Maybe I was trying to cut it. Maybe I don't know.
them in your pocket.
Once the deck lid is clean and free of adhesive, wipe down the surface with the supplied alcohol pads as shown. 1 screw. Use an adhesive remover to clean up any residue. All that residue.
It's a lot of residue.
Now, when you guys are trying to remove this residue, make sure you use a lot of lubricant so you don't scratch the paint. So here we are just applying the alcoholic prep pad to the surface where the spoiler will adhere to the trunk.
Hose is not utilized.
Correct.
So maybe we should put like a piece of electrical tape over that hole. Unless you want to do the adhesive glue around both holes, like they did. But even then, I think the adhesive should be all down this, you know what I'm saying?
All right, so it's day 2 on the ducktail install. We got rained out yesterday, so I'm going over right now just to finish it up. So that's where we're at right now. I'm about to pull up and get this rocking. So right now we are test fitting the MMD Ducktail spoiler. Make sure everything lines up. It already comes with pre-cut adhesive, and then it does come with the little rubber grommets, or styrofoam grommets to keep the water out. So let's test fit that. It does come with supplied screws and some more adhesive sticks. This looks like it's not even adhesive. What is this?
What is it?
It's not adhesive. I don't know what that is.
Some hole liners.
Oh.
Dog shit, I don't know.
That is, I mean, I don't know.
It look like, yeah, it look like
Let's test fit that. So in the midst of us test fitting it, I accidentally adhered the spoiler onto the vehicle. So now we're going to have to go ahead and secure it. It's done. It's finito. It's a wrap. So once you test fit it, make sure you test fit it without taking off the adhesive strip, just in case you mess up. Learn from my mistakes. This is what the video is about. Mistakes will happen.
I mean, even though you made a mistake, I think it's the closest thing to perfect we'll get.
Yes.
Jamar's mistakes and my perfections actually kind of balance each other out.
Hmm. What?
Electrical tape?
Yeah. So it wasn't a top hole, just so you guys can see. We're tightening it down. Some of the glue is showing.
Yes. Gotta remove the rest of the glue, which seems to be pretty easy.
So make sure you do that. Is it, you tighten it up? It's good?
Yeah.
You wanna shut it? Let's see what happens.
That's pretty perfect. That looked good.
Okay, that'll work.
I do not recommend the rear spoiler delete. It looks ugly. This looks good.
Alright. Let's get this glue up. There it is, guys. On and installed. I've always wanted it. There it is. The what? I know.
Now, if you guys did want this look without paying $280 or whatever this was, you can buy the GT 500 wing for about $60, but it does not look the same. So, but it gets close.
First look. Only thing is, let me see if I can get it on camera. You can see where the old glue was, right there, on both sides. But you gotta really get up on that to see that. Can you see it right there? Nope. But it's right here. Right there. Can't even see it. There, you see it? See the little? That's the only thing. Other than that, man, it's on. Let me know how you guys like it. All right, so guys, I figured out what those strips were. You gotta read the instructions here. That's if you don't have holes already drilled. You line it up so you know where to drill them. So that's what that's for. Yeah, there it is, man. All done. Trial and error. Hope this video helped anyone who's looking to get the MMD Ducktail spoiler. I've wanted it for a long time, ever since I saw them. I finally got it on. I got to do a little cleanup, but it is definitely on and popping. Cowl hood, the car is really coming along nicely. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you would rock this, would you rock this MMD Ducktail? Would you rock the rear spoiler delete or the stock? I don't know. Let me know. In other news, I do have a stock spoiler for sale. If anybody wants one, stock spoiler for sale. I did cover up the other holes we didn't use with black electrical tape just to make sure. There it is, all done.